I built some new functionality in my social media OS tool that I've been building. And what I'm trying to accomplish with this is be able to post everything across channels from one location. And the tricky part with this is that each platform has funky little things that they do to restrict automations. As an example, if you put a link in your main post for LinkedIn, it impacts your reach. And if you auto post from a tool to Instagram, it breaks the auto push to your Facebook page or profile. Several other things like that occur. And so I'm trying to generate the capability of the feeling of an auto post from one spot that can basically circumvent all of those breaks and issues that I experience by using the tool directly or by using some other third-party tools that I have paid for subscriptions and tested out over time. And now I have this ability, which costs me nothing net new, and I'm getting closer to being able to achieve that goal. So I'm just going to walk through and test this ability with a video that I just made. So I'm going to hit the upload video button and drag and drop a video that I just made about my sketchy collection. It's just a fun, imaginative video. And normally this was already pre-populated in the URL field, but normally if it's a post about one product, this can automatically detect what product I am featuring, and it will auto-populate the product description page on my website simply by either looking at a file name, or it can read the image itself. And if there's a product name on the image, then it can automatically pull the direct link to that page. So I already wrote out a caption and just copied it, and I can show you what that looks like. And just a simple caption about how creativity and protecting time for me to do these kinds of things actually builds and maintains muscles that help me with problem solving and envisioning things elsewhere when I'm not necessarily doing what would be considered creative stuff. So there's the caption. I uploaded the video. I don't have a first comment or hashtag automation yet, but that is coming next. And then you can go down across all the platforms and press this one button so you can select and deselect the platforms that you want to push to. It shows you the preview of the post. I'm going to select everything that will allow me to push this video out. And then this normally isn't expanded, but you can click one time to tailor from my initial caption across each platform the messaging in the caption that is optimized per platform. So you can see the character count changes and the reframing of my initial caption. And then of course the preview here, and then one click, I will hit push to all 7 platforms, just double checking here first, but I'll just press push to all platforms, and it will down here show that it's pending, but that job was sent. And you will start to see red or yellow check marks, I can't remember what it is, that it's working on making the post. So now you can see that it's changed to posting. And then once it's completed and been posted on the platform, you'll see a green check mark and an arrow, which that's not great visually right now, but I'll just keep chipping away at it. But that's the beginning to end capability that I've built that saves me a ton of time and works around all of the native breaks that these miserable platforms impose upon users. So that's just something I wanted to share today. I literally just posted that video using this component of my tool, and this also gets captured into my activity of what I did and achieved today across my social media posts. So this is changing every day. I'm working on it all day, every day, out of hopes that eventually I can spend much less time, effort, energy on managing posts and the amount of content that it's recommended that you do across platforms every single day. And over time, hopefully automating a thing that is a massive time and energy suck. So